there? Oh. Hi guys, I'm Travis, and welcome to my closet. Today we're doing an unboxing. I ended up hanging out with Moo. Gunner's been stealing the spotlight, and she's very cat-like, and it is hard to convince her to do a shoot with me. But she was wanting some attention today, so I thought maybe if we filmed together, she would be happy. So I'll set her down right here, and we'll count down from 30 of how fast she runs away. But this is our product for the day. It's from Spade, and I can only hope that it's not full of the atypical like sawdust I've been getting in some of these bags recently. I don't know if you've had the misfortune of opening one of those, but it just leaks stuff everywhere, and I've been in the habit of opening them in my garage so I could sweep it up. But I wanted to do a true unboxing today. This is going to be, and it's a weird name, I had to write it down. It's not just, well, I'll read the whole name. It's the Kate Spade New York X Minnie Mouse Card Case. I don't know what the X is for, and I also don't know why they emphasize Kate Spade New York, because on a lot of their other products, it's just Kate Spade XYZ. But this one was very specific in its name. And now here, it says just Minnie Mouse Card Case, but everywhere on the Kate Spade website, if you want to try to find this, you have to enter in X Minnie Mouse Card Case. But enough of that. Let's get into the actual product. And many of you might know that I've been looking for a nice low-profile card case for a while now. And this is just more of a fun one. Oh, that is so beautiful. Let me get all this wrapping off of it so I can show you it in all of its glory. Oh, it's just full of stuff. Oh, well, that's cool. You get, well, I thought it was a coaster, but it's not a coaster. It's just a little tag showing how Disney and Kate Spade collaborated together. The price tag, and a take care guide, which is important on this product because this is saffiano leather, and it is especially, it's called saffiano because that's the pattern they've punched into the leather itself, with a little bit of a wax coating that gets embedded down into that leather, and it makes it so that caring for it is a lot easier. It doesn't pick up stains as easy. But isn't this adorable? We've got this cute little Minnie Mouse, and it's still low profile-ish. I mean, the bow doesn't stick out too much, but for being a cute little Disney call-out, I think they did a pretty good job. I kind of wish this back material was a little bit more pink. I'll hold it up to that bag in the background that's pink. And my eyes are not as, that's tan. But let's see here. Oh, that's beautiful. Take a look inside there. Very, very beautiful. And as you might have seen in some of my other reviews, I love when Disney partners with somebody, like on this Dooney and Burke Disney bag. I used to have a giant purse, but I've lost it to time. But luckily, I still have this Dooney and Burke cartoon one. And you can see the full review of this travel bag along with another travel bag up in the corner right there. But let's go over the features of this one and see what all it has to offer, as long as I can get rid of all the cardboard. That's kind of frustrating. There we go. Alright, now it's all ours. I've got a stack of expired movie cards and Sam's Club and whatnot. So let's load this up and see how it works. The first card is definitely going to get buried back behind the ears. But this, oh, and it gets buried. No, okay. So you're going to want to put cards that you don't usually use every day down in there, which is fine because this is a themed product. And when I looked at it online, I knew that that was going to be, I don't even want to call it an issue, just part of its general makeup. Oh, beautiful. Okay, so even though the Mickey ears do cover the bottom card, they don't cover each other. I did a review yesterday or a couple days ago, and it was on a Bosca wallet, and this bottom card didn't fully sink down into the bottom, and it came out and overlapped the other cards, and it just looked extremely tacky. So we've got 3 cards in the front with room to double up, and let's put this old movie card. There's a slot back here in the back, so we've got 4 cards, and then this is still pretty accessible. I've had quite a few other cases where this was not as easily accessible after you put some cards in there. So it does have a lot of tags in there with Disney and other things written on it that are kind of getting in the way. But, oh, that's troublesome. Okay, that's very troublesome. Why am I bet the tags are getting in the way. Disney and Kate and everybody else had to put a tag in here. And it's pretty long and in the way. It might be something I'd chop out in the future, but I'm trying to get it to lay flat because it's all crinkled and bunched up at the bottom. Alright, now let's try. It really does not like that. Okay, it's just going to hang out a couple inches. You okay, Moo Bear? Come here. Let's finish up the review. Okay, just hang out back there. Alright, so these cards kind of slid out just now. I don't know if I like that. Let's do the test. Nope, must have been something I did. Okay, so now I was about ready to wrap up the review, but see this bottom ½ inch where there's nothing? It makes me feel like this top card should sink in deeper, but it is just fighting me. And maybe you could fold up some paper bills and stuff them in that middle pocket, however you want to do it. But it looks like it holds 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the middle, and then you could probably go up to 6, 7, possibly 8 if you doubled up this whole front. But this isn't really gonna, in my opinion, be a daily wallet. My daily wallet is a miss, but this is going to be more of a fun wallet. It's going to be more of a just, you're actually going to Disneyland, so why not pull out your mini wallet or just what have you. Not much else to say on it, so with that in mind, I'm Travis, and thanks for hanging out in my closet.